Alright, in this lesson we're going to talk about how to extract year, month, day and weekday from this date right here. So to extract the year, I'm just going to say equal to year, and then I'll pass this in, and that's it. Okay, just going to reduce that to a number, just going to fill that, and then this would be month, pass this in, then that's the 9th month. Just gonna fill that into the day. Just gonna say day. Pass this. Okay. And then that's it. So to get the weekday, so right now we have year, month and day. So to get the weekday, to equal to text, and then you pass in the date, comma, and then you pass in d. That's 4 D's, and you hit enter. So this gives you the day of the week this particular date falls. So you can actually just autofill that, so you can have that